This is a brief introduction of note making which I wanted to discuss with you. Note making is not something that you have done in the past, so you have to be very careful about this. It is something like shortening down a particular paragraph into notes. This is done in the corporate sector as well as in the academic sector as well. Uh, what is the reason behind this is very simple. That means that there are people who are very busy, who are kind of busy with their many works in the senior sections of the department, the bosses, and so they don't have time to go through the whole thing. So it is primarily an idea to summarize the whole thing, and that is what is note making all about. So you have 10 marks of note making, or 8 marks of note making. So in that case, 1 mark will be for the format, 2 for the content, and 1 for abbreviations. And then finally, in the next part, you'll have a summary, which will have uh, 2 mark for the content. That means the matter that you are writing, and 2 marks for the expression. That is the way you are writing the grammatical part, etc.